Hey folks, Hervé Francois here, your favorite acquisition manager at DeRosa Group. A lot of times I get questions in regards to, hey Hervé, what is the best way to find a real estate investor mentor? And it's a great question. Folks are always needing some guidance, need some help along the way as they're beginning their real estate journey. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about what I feel truly is the 5 best ways on how to find a real estate investor mentor. Number 1, you want to identify your goals. What do I mean by that? Well, what's your asset strategy? Are you looking for multifamily? Are you looking for mobile homes? Are you looking for self-storage, retail, and so on and so forth? Not all mentors are the same, so you're going to want to make sure that you find one that aligns with the type of real estate deals that you're looking to do. The second best way is to attend your local real estate groups, networking seminars. Hey, that's where I found my current partners, both Matt Fairclough and Justin Fraser, at a local real estate group, actually not too far from here at all. You're going to find a lot of like-minded investors, people that are just starting their real estate journey, folks that are experienced. Those are the ones obviously that you're going to want to lean on that could potentially be mentors for you, especially again, if they are in the same asset class in which you're looking to go ahead and build your particular real estate portfolio. The third way on how to find a real estate investor mentor are the online forums. A lot of great ones out there. Obviously, Bigger Pockets, very, very well known. Other ones on Facebook, other social media platforms and things like that. Again, you're going to find some experienced real estate investors that love to communicate. They love to share their ideas, their education with folks that are just starting their real estate journey, perhaps like yourself, and they're going to be happy to go ahead and work with you. Say the fourth way on how to find a real estate investor mentor, take a look at the values that you bring to the table. So for example, if you know that you're a person that loves to crunch numbers, you like finances, obviously you're going to be able to go ahead and potentially offer some underwriting skills to a real estate investor. If you're a person who's in project management, that's great. That's the world that Justin came from, as a matter of fact, right? That could potentially make you a great asset manager for a real estate investor. If you're a people person, perhaps you like to raise money. If you have a research background like myself, you like to get into the nitty-gritty of things, you're going to help a real estate investor really to identify an attractive city to invest in, and then from there, properties to acquire. So what do you bring to the table? And then from there, they're going to put on the education and a lot of the experience that they've got garnered over the year. The fifth way truly is to go ahead and take a look at those real estate mentors that have put themselves out there publicly. There are some folks that you're going to, again, meet at the local networking seminars and the RIA groups and so on and so forth, but there are others that have put themselves very loud out there on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. There are a lot of different choices out there, but the one thing I would say is make sure you pick the right real estate education program that best fits your needs, where you are currently in your real estate journey and where do you eventually want to go. There are some real estate education programs out there that promise that they're going to help you buy an apartment complex or flip a house in 90 days and so on and so forth. Is that really what you're looking to do? Or are you trying to get more of the educational process on how to build a portfolio for the long run? So folks, that's what I would say are the 5 best ways on how to find a real estate investor mentor. I would say though 4 things that you want to bring to the table. First of all, you want to be persistent. You want to keep on going to those real estate events. You want pursuing folks online and things like that. You want to be respectful. You also want to be coachable, and you want to be available at all times, right? Because real estate mentors, they want to work with people that are committed, that are not going to give up, and that they have a passion of what they're doing, all right? So bring that to the table. Now, if you want to find out about DeRosa Group's educational program and how to find out about our mentors, I want you to click this link right below, and it's going to take you right there. All right, folks, have a great one and all the success to your real estate journey.